Hello everyone. Question is a company has an application that uses an Amazon DynamoDB table to store user data. Every morning, a single threaded process calls the DynamoDB API scan operation to scan the entire table and generate a critical start of day report for management. A successful marketing campaign recently doubled the number of items in the table. And now the process takes too long to run and the report is not generated in time. A database specialist needs to improve the performance of the process. The database specialist notes that when the process is running, 15% of the table's provisioned read capacity units RCUs are being used. What should the database specialist do? Option A. Enable auto-scaling for the DynamoDB table. Option B. Use 4 threads and parallel DynamoDB API scan operations. Option C. Double the table's provisioned RCUs. Option D. Set the limit and offset parameters before every call to the API. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company hosts an on-premises Microsoft SQL Server Enterprise Edition database with transparent data encryption TDE enabled. The database is 20 TB in size and includes sparse tables. The company needs to migrate the database to Amazon RDS for SQL Server during a maintenance window that is scheduled for an upcoming weekend. Data at rest encryption must be enabled for the target DB instance. Which combination of steps should the company take to migrate the database to AWS in the most operationally efficient manner? Choose two options. Option A. Use AWS Data Migration Service AWS DMS to migrate from the on-premises source database to the RDS for SQL Server target database. Option B. Disable TDE. Create a database backup without encryption. Copy the backup to Amazon S3. Option C. Restore the backup to the RDS for SQL Server DB instance. Enable TDE for the RDS for SQL Server DB instance. Option D. Set up an AWS Snowball Edge device. Copy the database backup to the device. Send the device to AWS. Restore the database from Amazon S3. Option E. Encrypt the data with client-side encryption before transferring the data to Amazon RDS. Correct answer is option A and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company's development team needs to have production data restored in a staging AWS account. The production database is running on an Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL multi-agent DB instance, which has AWS KMS encryption enabled using the default KMS key. A database specialist planned to share the most recent automated snapshot with the staging account, but discovered that the option to share snapshots is disabled in the AWS Management Console. What should the database specialist do to resolve this? Option A. Disable automated backups in the DB instance. Share both the automated snapshot and the default KMS key with the staging account. Restore the snapshot in the staging account and enable automated backups. Option B. Copy the automated snapshot specifying a custom KMS encryption key. Share both the copied snapshot and the custom KMS encryption key with the staging account. Restore the snapshot to the staging account within the same region. Option C. Modify the DB instance to use a custom KMS encryption key. Share both the automated snapshot and the custom KMS encryption key with the staging account. Restore the snapshot in the staging account. Option D. Copy the automated snapshot while keeping the default KMS key. Share both the snapshot and the default KMS key with the staging account. Restore the snapshot in the staging account. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.